To create the perfect driving machine, Porsche is extremely selective when it comes to what tires they put on their vehicle and the air they fill them with. N-Spec tires were developed by Porsche and tire manufacturers to meet Porsche's rigorous safety and performance standards, and nitrogen inflation delivers a performance consistency and reliability over conventional air inflation. The performance of your Porsche is transferred to the road via 4 contact patches, no bigger than a note card. So it is critical that the contact area is of the highest quality, resulting in a driving performance you've come to expect from Porsche. According to Porsche engineers, fitting a Porsche with non-N-Spec tires could lead to increased wear of PDK gearboxes, 4-wheel drive components, Porsche stability and safety systems, and could affect the vehicle warranty. The Porsche Tire Center here at the Porsche Exchange only recommends N-Spec tires and nitrogen inflation. We are competitively priced, and our Porsche certified technicians will ensure proper fitment and installation of your N-Spec tires, giving you the peace of mind your Porsche will perform well like a Porsche. Safety, performance, confidence. Porsche N-rated tires exclusively at the Porsche Exchange.